Hey guys, and welcome to Deep Space. In this video, we are going to write our first JavaScript program. In the previous video, we talked about what JavaScript is, what programming language is, and the last part was I showed you how to include or where to place your JavaScript. So to begin, from now on, I'll be using uh, Scrimba.com to record my videos because if I use my laptop to record, then I'll have to use three different software. The first one is my text editor, the second one is browser, Google Chrome, and also I have to use a software like to record my video. Now instead of this, I'll be using Scrimba.com. It's the same, let me show you. Scrimba.com is the same as this. I have index.html file, index.css, and index.javascript. Here I have mini browser and console, so it's easier to make tutorials using Scrimba.com. But you can use Kotlin.io, gsfiddle.net, and your computer, but using this will be easier for me. So let's write our first JavaScript. You can see a box pops up saying hello world. You can use console.log. Okay, it's not working because I don't know. You have to run it. Hello world, then console, hello console. Or we can use document.write. Here you can see my mini browser says hello HTML document. Now when you learn JavaScript, uh, you can just create something from the beginning. That's why we need these little functions to write and see our code. Now console.log in browser shows you if you make a mistake in JavaScript, it will show you your mistakes.